Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Verizon 5G router blinking white light issue.
Fix 1. Understand the blinking white light means the router is starting up or updating firmware. If it keeps blinking for more than 10 minutes, it may be stuck in a boot loop. Fix 2. Power cycle the router. Step 1. Unplug the power cable from the router. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and wait for the light to turn solid white. Fix 3. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your internet cable WAN is securely connected. Step 2. If using 5G home internet, check that the signal strength is good. Step 3. Move the router near a window or open area for better 5G signal. Fix 4. Wait for firmware update. Step 1. Let it blink for 10-15 minutes. Step 2. Don't unplug during this time. Step 3. If it stays blinking after 15 minutes. Fix 5. Factory reset the router. Step 1. Find a reset button, small hole at the back. Step 2. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds using a pin. Step 3. Wait for the router to reboot and reconnect automatically. Fix 6. Check for software or hardware issues. Step 1. Log into the My Verizon app or router admin page. Step 2. Check for firmware updates or error messages. Step 3. If it still blinks, contact Verizon support.